In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a basic crosstab in Tableau. We'll guide you through a simple process that will empower you to visualize your data effectively. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the Tableau application up and running on your computer. If you haven't launched it yet, now is the time to do so. Once Tableau is open, navigate to the workspace where you want to create your crosstab. Accessing your worksheet is your next move, and this is where all the magic will happen. Now that you have your worksheet open, look over to the left side of the screen where you'll find your data fields. You're going to begin by locating the segment field in your data pane. Click and drag segment over to the column shelf at the top of the interface. This action organizes your data by separating it into distinct categories along a horizontal axis. Next, turn your attention back to your data pane because we now need to add another layer of dimension. Find the state field, click on it, and drag this to the rows shelf. This step will organize your data vertically, separating it according to each state. You will now see a grid layout developing, outlining the foundation of our crosstab. Continuing with the structure, it's time to add some measure to your visualization. Locate the sales field in your data pane and drag it to the center, either directly onto the text under marks or in the ABC columns area in the visualization workspace. This action populates your grid with sales figures, aligning them against your previously selected dimensions. Now, to enhance our visualization, let's add one more detail. Grab the Ship Mode field from the data pane and drag it beside segment on the column shelf. This creates additional columns, providing further segmentation of your data and adding more context to your crosstab. To fine-tune your visualization, go back to the numbers shown in the sales column. Click directly on a sales number in your crosstab and choose the Format option. This is where you can enhance readability through formatting. In the Formatting pane, navigate to the section that allows you to adjust numbers. Here, you'll change the format to currency. To keep things clean and uncluttered, set the decimal places to 0. This adjustment makes your data much easier to interpret at a glance, especially when dealing with large data sets. And there you have it. You've successfully created a functional and insightful crosstab in Tableau. This method enables you to organize and present your data clearly, helping drive data-driven decisions. Practice these steps to tailor them to your data sets, and don't hesitate to experiment further with Tableau's features. Thank you for watching, and happy data styling.